Here we go with another video, how to by Dad. How to check to see where you've got a coolant leak coming from. First of all, I'm going to take the cap off the radiator. Then I'm going to use the specialized tool that I borrowed from a local parts store. Let's take a look at it. My specialized tool includes some adapters that are going to fit over the radiator and a pump to pump it up. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo the cap for the radiator. I already knew because the coolant level in the coolant tank was empty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get one of these adapters and hook it up to the tank. My adapter is connected to my pump. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the gauge on my pump and I'm going to start inflating my gauge and see if something leaks. Let's go ahead and see if I can do this with one hand. You'll see. All right, let's see. Oh! I've got a leak right here. Let's tighten that one first of all. Oh, that one's really loose. Okay, let's try this again. Should be able to hold more. Oh, I got another one. I can hear it. Here we go. Got another one. Let me tighten this one. That one was also loose. I've been losing coolant the last few weeks. Let's try this again. About 5 minutes later, and I'm really confident I've got everything tightened up and there's no more coolant leaking anywhere. I don't hear any hissing sounds and the gauge is staying constant. I'm going to fill up the tank with antifreeze. Make sure you've got the right kind. This car is an old 1995 Buick with the 3.1 liter V6 engine, and this takes the good old-fashioned coolant. Make sure you put in your right kind. I made sure that it was full all the way up to the top on the radiator, and I filled up the can.